What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're a return family member, viewer, if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I am Wil Mikahson. I would love for you to consider joining our family here. After you've watched this video, hopefully giving it a thumbs up, I would love for you to come on back, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every single time your boy loads new videos. In today's video, we are talking about the word manifest, okay? I mentioned in my luxury items that I regret not buying video, which I will leave up here, that this piece, I didn't think I was gonna find it, but I manifested it mere weeks ago, okay? Yes, I'm in the same outfit I was in when I just filmed my Burberry trench puffer coat iconic legendary reveal, okay? If you did not see that, I will also leave that video linked up here. But after I finished that video, this item came in the mail, which I was not expecting today. I'm leaving for vacation. I thought this was gonna be here when I got back, but it's here, so let's get to unboxing. This is my first true unboxing in over a year, because I feel like at the end of last year, I shared with you guys all the things I did not unbox with you guys. So yeah, this might be my very first true unboxing in over a year, going on 2. At any rate, it's here, you guys. And you can probably, as you know from the title, I asked, didn't want to lose a finger. I asked for this piece. I didn't think it was gonna come, and OMG. I haven't done a true unboxing in so long, like it's kind of awkward. So yes, I was browsing late in the middle of the night, as I always do. That's when it always goes down. It always goes down at 2 and 3 o'clock in the morning. I've mentioned this before on my channel. I keep a browser windows open of items I'm looking for, and I just refresh them from time to time to see if they pop up anywhere. I had given up on this. Totally given up on this item, and bam, just like that. See, when you least expect it, look at God. If you have never purchased from Fashionphile, they are my friends in my head. I secretly want them to invite me to their warehouse one day. I want to go to Carlsbad. I want to walk through the cage. I want to touch all the Birkins and the trunks, and oh my God, Fashionphile, if you ever watched this video, call me. Anyway, for those of you who have never shopped at Fashionphile, you do get this cardboard box with black interior. It says, thank you on one side, and then the other side says, from the bottom of this box. One of my favorite parts about shopping at Fashionphile is that once you take out the paper, there's usually confetti. Oh, all the confetti is at the bottom of the box. And this, all the confetti is actually stuck inside my envelope. This is what your receipt comes in. It's just like a little like Grammy kind of envelope reveal situation. It's super, super cute with the Fashionphile logo there. And it also has the Fashionphile logo there. Oh, I also have another little goodie in here. I guess usually if you purchase items from Fashionphile at the top of the new year, they do send you a calendar. So this is super cute. I think it's a nod to like all things tonal. Like each month is very like rose, beige, cranberry, peach, gold. Like everyone knows that this year was about tonal looks. Now in this folder here, I'm only doing this not for the OGs. If you're an OG, you can fast forward through this. But some people have never shopped at Fashionphile before and they want to know all the deets, okay? So this is the envelope here. You just rip through that, okay? And once you open it, you will get this here, and it basically says we want this back. They do have a refresh program, so after you had your item for maybe I think 2 or 3 months, they reach out to you and say, hey, we want to buy this back from you. And I never sell it back. I got it because I want it. I'm not giving it back. But maybe that's your jam and you want to just test something out, you want to use it for a couple months and send it back. But every time they reach out to me and say we want to buy this back from you, it's always a lot. Like I may pay $4,000 and you want to give me $2,200. No, sir. This is a thank you card on the back that says shop, sell, repeat, letting you know that you can shop with them, you can sell with them, and do it all over again. Let's get to the main event. I know why you guys all came here. So you're always gonna get something that says, and there goes confetti. You are always going to get stickers on your package that says used is the new. Let's slide this baby out. So this is the Fashionphile dust bag. I have not seen one of these in so long. You guys, I've never seen this in person. Even when it came out, I did not see this in person. So this is an exclusive for both of us, okay? Never before seen or touched. I'm sorry, I'm like startling my cats right now, but you, hold on a second, just pause. I had to get the camera settings right. I had to make sure that we were capturing all of this good. You guys, this is the Monogram Illusions Explorer mother effing tote. Guys, this is in perfect condition. Oh, okay. So it comes with the Fashionphile certificate of authenticity. You know the drill. You remove the tag, you own the bag. I can bite this thing off right now, okay? I am never getting rid of this bag. Oh, whew. Okay. This is clearly the front of the bag because it has Louis Vuitton Paris right here. And it basically is a matte finish leather. It's basically matte calfskin with a silk screen that gives you this illusion. Because on some angles you're like, is there something on it? And then you turn it and it's like, oh yes, it's not just something. We are just stunting over here with this illusions. This is no illusion, baby. It is in my face. I have this. I'm touching it. I feel it. It feels so good. I'm already getting fingerprints on it, I think. So that's the thing about the matte leather. You get fingerprints very easily. On the ends here, this does have the non-traditional Louis Vuitton zipper pulls, which I will do a close-up of for you guys. It does have silver hardware. Oh my goodness. The bottom of the bag is also that matte finished leather. I kind of wish that for almost $4,000, like out the gate, I think that was the original price of this bag. I paid like three and a half. I feel like it should have feet, but I'm not complaining, okay? Complaining, I am not. So let's dive in. I will say that this corner piece here is kind of interesting. I thought maybe this pulled out or snapped closed, but no, it just kind of goes down and tucks behind the D-ring there, which is interesting. But you know what? I like it because sometimes the bags that usually snap down like that, they flap awkwardly. So this was a beautiful design. Kudos to you, Louis, for that. Here's just some tissue paper. And here is the black crossbody strap, and it is in pristine condition. There's no scratches on the hardware whatsoever. This bag was never used. Maybe someone got it for a photo shoot or something and never used it. Oh, I had no idea. It did come with a Louis dust bag. And here is the inside of the bag. So basically there's two slit pockets here. They're very shallow, probably about 4 inches deep, 4 to 5 inches deep. Then there's one wider pocket here. So this one runs about the width of the bag, and also it's probably about 6 to 7 inches deep. And then when you flip it on this side, this does have one full pocket only. It only comes to about this portion of the bag. So I'd say it's probably like 8 to 9 inches deep. I will try to figure out I'll try to get a ruler and measure it for you guys, just in case anyone's out there on the market for this bag. But so outside of this being just a big hole here, you do have 1, 2, 3, 4 options for storage. So bag organizer, what? We don't need one. And at almost $4,000, this better come with all the pockets, okay? I'm just going to attach the crossbody strap so we can see what it looks like on frame. This is what we have. And you guys know I have to go take out my Burberry coat and try it on with this because I think I'm wearing all black. It's a whole vibe. It is a whole vibe. Bear with me 1 second. So guys, this is all I have. I'm saying like it's not much. This is the reveal for the day, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, her. I'm just so excited to have this piece. If I did not cover anything, my excitement got the best of me. I just sat down because I thought I was done filming for the day. I sat down and just started filming this. If you have any more questions about the bag, I will do a full comprehensive review on dimensions and all that stuff. I just wanted to reveal it to you guys for right now and show you what it looks like with my new Burberry puffer trench coat. But yeah, I'm absolutely in love. It's not going anywhere. Add this to the list of things going in my double wide casket because, ladies and gentlemen, it stuck with me till death do us part. Not even death, because we're not parting. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.